Hi girls, Miss Martino here again, and today we're going to be working through Lesson 8, which will focus on Paper 2, Question 1 of your GCSE practice. Over the next 3 lessons, I'm going to be working through a GCSE paper to show you what the questions look like and how you would go about answering them. In Lesson 11, you'll be completing a practice GCSE paper focusing only on questions 2 to 4. If at any stage over the next few lessons you're unsure of anything, please make sure that you contact your teacher to clarify. Today, you're going to need your booklet and a writing pen. If you need some time to collect those things, please press pause until you're ready to move on. To start today, you need to answer the 2 do now questions in your booklet. Press pause to do that now, and then press play when you're ready to move on. Our lesson objectives for today are to practice the reading skills required for question 1, and then to summarise certain parts of the text using well-selected evidence from the text to support points. For activity 2, you need to read the Guardian newspaper article in your workbook first. Go ahead and read the first part of the article now. Press pause on the video, then press play for your next instructions. Now that you have read the article, summarise what the article reveals about the changes that have taken place in Japan over time. Try to include a couple of short quotes to support your points. Press pause to complete this summary now, and then press play when you're ready to move on. Next, you need to read the rest of the article, then complete another summary. This time, you need to summarise what the article reveals about how owners treat their pets in Japan. Try to include a range of short quotes again to support your points. Press pause to complete this task and then press play to move on. Question 1 of Paper 2 tests your ability to interpret information in the text correctly. To complete this question, you need to read the source again, but only focus on the lines mentioned. In this case, you only need to focus on lines 1 to 10. Once you've reread these lines, you need to choose 4 statements that you believe are true. You have to shade the boxes of the statements that you think are true and only shade a maximum of 4 statements. I'd like you to press pause now and reread source A, then complete question 1. Press play to move on and get the answers on the next slide. So, as you can see, the 4 statements from this list that are true are A, D, E, and F. Check your answers now and correct any mistakes you have made. Thanks for your hard work today, girls. In our next lesson, we're going to continue working through a practice GCSE paper and we'll focus on question 2 and question 3. See you then.